Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a car, and it's the 2016 Jeep Compass. So small thing, we're just replacing the mirror. The mirror got broken off by a truck, but that's another story. So we're just replacing it. Anyway guys, like and subscribe down below and let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's the broken off mirror. Let me show you how it's snapped off. Here you go. So I took it off already. It was already just hanging anyway. So the mirror goes like this, and then there's some screws inside that holds it. Once I take it off, I'll show you. But I need to figure out how to take this cover off, because I want to use the same cover, because the new one I have is black. So let me figure that out and I get back. I want to keep this color so I don't have to repaint it. So to take this mirror out, so we won't have to get another one, there's a ball right in here. So what you need to do is literally pop it with your hand like this. Hold on, it's a little hard. Just keep going. It should pop off. There you go. The mirror is out. Okay, so now you guys can see there's like 1, 2, 3. There's 3 screws. Those are Torx. Let me go get my tools and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now to take this off, you gotta take this cover off. It's super easy. All I need is just to get my panel removal tool, just pop it off and then it comes off. Now we have, I believe, 10 millimeters. Yeah, 10 millimeters. There's one over here, one over here. So let's just take this one out. Okay, so this one comes out. There's another one behind this rubber here. Let's just take this one out also. Move the rubber to the side and then unscrew it. Alright, almost there. Okay, that one is out. There's another screw here. You gotta take out this little panel. Take your trim removal tool. Just find a spot. Pop it off. All right, it comes off. Here it is. So now there's a screw right there. Take this one out. Almost there. Got it. Okay, it's out. Now we have to take out this cover right here as well. Just play with it with your fingers. It'll come off. There we go. It is off. Now this is the new mirror, guys. It just, it's a nice black color, super shiny. Looks really good. I was trying to remove the cover, but I wasn't able to. And this was really hard to do because of the way this build is. I could not take this cover off. But this mirror looks really good. I think I'm gonna keep it that way. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks good. To take this, I was trying to take this cover off. If you want to take the window off, you pull it this way and then the whole thing pops open. But this looks good. I think I'm gonna just keep the mirror as is, because I couldn't take out the other one, the bolt in the inside. This one was broken, so let's just put this one on. So to do that, let's first take out these little connection is the same. So let's take out this little cover off first. Come on out. Okay. All right, let's go put it in. So we gotta put it from the side here. So I think I may have to go on the other side to run the cable. It'll be easier if I do that. Let me show you guys what I mean. There's a hole here where we need to run the wires. Let me go to the other side and I'll show you what I'm trying to do. So there's a hole here. The cable goes in here. So just take the connection, just feed it through there. keep fitting. Come on, come through. All right, grab it for me here, please. All right, pull it. All right, let me just line up the holes now. Oh, just give me a second. I'm trying to line up the hole. It's coming, almost there. All right, just hold it right there for me. Grab the wire so it doesn't come out. No, the wire right there. Hold this. Yeah, okay, I'll be right there. Okay, now hold it right there for me. Thank you. Now let me take out my glove first. All right, so now let's put the screws on. Forgot something. Oh, I dropped the screw. Let me go grab it with my magnet. There we go. Okay, now let's carefully put that one in there. That one goes under the rubber. It goes right here. Let's just screw it in. Yep. All right. Okay, as you can see, it's on. So now I'm gonna just reroute the cable up here where it needs to go. Then we're gonna connect it. Okay, now let's try all the movement and see if it works. Okay, looks like it's working. Everything is working. Down, up, left, right. Okay, looking good. Now you know that everything is working. Let's put this first cover back and then route the cable down. And then put this other cable, this other cover. Line it up. That's it. It's done. I mean, here you go, guys. No, it doesn't match, but actually, I think it looks great. Give the car a different look, you know? So this one is the color match. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. This is all done. Until the next time, peace.